Good morning, folks. It's Nola. I'm starting again on another kit. This one will be number 4, and I'm just going to show you the pieces now. So this will be your base fabric. And it's shiny on the surface. It's beautiful, but it is yellow again, and it has greens in it. I love this piece of fabric, but it's up to you guys. I think I will have 7 of them as well. So I'm going to put in one of these with it that you can use however. And one of these again, because I like this for the background if you want to use that for this bit of gray that is in there. And then I have a piece of sparkly silver for you because that definitely brings out the color in here. Then I have this crinkly green and yellow, which is just perfect for this piece of fabric. So that one goes in there. Then if I have enough, I'm going to put in this white one as well. I sort of took it ahead of looking, so hopefully I have enough of this. If not, I'll replace it with something else. But there's that one. Then I have a little piece of yellow, which is gathered. So it could go on the bottom of a page or something. So I'll put that one in. I've got this pretty yellow lace. It's very pale. Very pretty. Very pretty. Love that one too. I thought I'd put a piece of this in. I'm not positive yet. I'll think on that one. It doesn't really match, but it looks good. I have this is all beaded on it. And this is a piece of sari in it. This is another beaded piece, or it's got sequins on it. And that matches ideally. A piece of this. It's kind of a taupe brownie color. This is a piece of curtaining, but it's so pretty. I have a piece of satin that goes excellent with that. I have a big piece of ribbon, white ribbon that I'm putting in. A piece of trim that matches this gold. Just a strip of brown lace because I only have a little bit. So when I only have a bit, you only get a little bit. So this is in there as well. And then I have a piece of this fabric, which I think is fun. If you don't like it, don't use it. So that's in there. And last but not least, one of these will be in each kit. So that one will be kit number 4. And that one will be $27. Okay, and I will have 7, so there's quite a few. So if you're interested, go on over to Nanny's and leave your name underneath. Or if you don't know how to do that, just leave me a message, I guess, on YouTube, and I'll get you there somehow. Okay, thank you everybody for being so patient. And those of you that have bought a few. I have sent you messages to see whether you want them sent now or not. And great, we'll go on to another one today. So thank you very much and take care, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye now.